Hi, my name is Trina Chariz Hibo, and I'm an information technology student from Bicol University, which ranked as the leading university in the Bicol region. So before joining StraStan internship, my technical knowledge was primarily theoretical, but I have some experiences with basic web development, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And additionally, I had a background experience with different programming languages such as C, Java, C Sharp, and R. However, my role in most development projects was usually a project manager or a systems analyst. So I didn't always have the hands-on development experience. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate my technical skills at around 6. As before this internship, I focused more on the business side of my past development projects. And in the beginning of this internship program, I felt overwhelmed by the pace of the workshop. It was fast-paced, and AWS was something entirely new to me. And we started with back-end development, which was different from what I was used to, because typically we start with front-end first before the back-end. So this made it difficult for me to adjust, especially without a clear visualization or a full understanding of what we were building. So one of the main challenges that I face is my lack of prior knowledge in the new tech stacks, and as well as the communication barriers with my co-interns and lead developers. Since the program was remote, I often struggled to clearly explain my technical issues through chat, which sometimes slowed down my progress. However, the StraStan team was incredibly supportive, and they provided timely responses to our inquiries, shared helpful documentations, and guided us through troubleshooting, which made a huge difference in overcoming our difficulties. So, over time, I became more comfortable speaking up about my technical roadblocks, which helped me grow both as a developer and as a communicator as well. By the end of my internship, I would rate my technical skills in AWS and full stack application development as a 7. Although I spent more time on automation testing towards the end of my internship, I had the opportunity to gain experience in front-end and back-end development as well as testing, and I am grateful for that well-rounded experience. Overall, this internship journey really contributed to my growth as a student, as a developer, and as a future IT professional. So I'm really thankful that I am able to learn different tech stacks that I know will be useful for my future endeavors. So I'm really thankful for StraStan.